Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Rafiq. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Rafiq Engineering Drawing. In this video, we will see second question in the topic orthographic projection. In the previous videos, we have solved one question, that is first question, where we have converted the isometric drawing or 3D diagram into 2D. In this also we will do the same thing. So here is the question given to you, the object which isometric drawing is given to you. By seeing this diagram, you have to draw 2D. So what here you have got? You have got 3D diagram. From 3D diagram we will be converting this into 2D diagram. Okay, let us see the diagram first. This is the arrow given. It means from here you are observing, and from here whatever view you are able to see, that will be treated as front view in this direction. And then from here, if you see the view which you are able to see, that will be treated as top view. Okay, and what is left out? This one. From here, if you see from front, if you are talking about, this side will be right side of the front view and this side will be left side of the front view. So from here, this is right side view, and this view, if you see from here, this is your left side view. Okay, front view. From front, if you take starting point, this side is right side, this side is left side. So front view, right side view, left side view, and this is the top view. So in the question, what we have to do, what they are asking us is draw the front view, top view, and right side view from the given isometric drawing. So we have to draw this side, and this side. So as you know, front view, top view will be above, front view will be here, top view will be below that. And if you are drawing right side view, which will come left side of the front view, and if this is the front view, left side view will come right side of the front view. So here what they are asking, right side view they are asking. So right side view will fall on left side of the front view, that side. So here we will have front view, top view, and this side left side view will come, that is right side view will fall on at the left side. Let us start the problem. So here overall dimensions you have to see what they are asking you. See here, this is 18, 20 and 18. So we will have lines such as, from here I will start my diagram. This is 18, right, and then 20. So imagine this is here, from here we will have 20 like this, 10, 20, then further 18. So 10 and 8 together give you 18. So total how much we have drawn? 55 mm approximately we have drawn, or 56. This is actually 56. If you look carefully end to end, should be 56. That is this baseline we have drawn, lower side. And this colors, if you see from here, front view, if you are seeing, what are the surface will be visible to you? This surface will be visible, this and this will be visible along with this. This is the surface which is common. It will be visible from front as well as from top, two sides. Front surfaces I have kept in yellow, top surfaces I have kept in light blue color. Okay, so this is the surface visible in top view, this is the surface visible in top view, and this is the combination of yellow and blue, which looks like somewhat green color, which is common. It will be visible in both, from here front view and from there top view. And if you look from this side, that is right side view, this orange surface will be visible to you, this orange surface will be visible to you, and this is the common surface which will be visible from the front as well as from the side, because this is inclined like here how it was. So this I have kept along with yellow as well as orange mixed color. Let us see the front view how it looks in the two-dimensional view. So front view we have drawn one line. Thickness of this block how much? Here they have mentioned 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeter we will go vertically upward like this. This side 8 millimeter, this side also 8 millimeter, vertically upward we will go. Then this line we have to draw. Okay, upper line. These two edges we have taken vertically upward for 8 mm height, and then we will join this. Like this. After that we have to show this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. So from front, this 1, 2 edges, and also for this 2 edges also visible. 1, 2, 3 and 4 edges will be visible at some distances such as 12 from both end and from here 18, and from there 18. That we will draw now. Those lines are, one is from 12 mm from this corner, right? So from here we will have 12 mm point at here, and we will draw the line like this. Similarly at this end, from this corner it is at 12 mm away, so from here we will have 12 mm away like this. Then this edge is 18 mm from this corner, so again from this corner we will take 18 millimeters, and the another edge also from here 18 millimeter from this end. This slope kind of thing is at center of the block through the total length. If you see, it is at center, and width of this is 8 mm, this is 8 mm, and this also 8 mm. So center midpoint of 56 length you see, and from the midpoint 4 mm this side, 4 mm that side. If you go from the midpoint 4 mm here, 4 mm here, you will be getting these 2 points. Then from here you can raise it to a height of 16 millimeters. So let us see the midpoint. Midpoint will be at 28, half of the 56 will be 28, somewhere here. From this point 4 mm this side, 4 mm this side we will go. So or else I will mark here the 56, 28 is the midpoint somewhere here, and from there 4 mm this side, 4 mm this side. Just I have moved the scale so that for good visibility. Now 4 mm this side, 4 mm this side, like this we have marked. I hope you are able to see. Even if you are not able to see, I will move it little down. This is the midpoint which we have taken from the entire line, and from this midpoint 4 mm this side we have marked 1 point, 4 mm this side we have marked the another point. Okay, then we will take a vertical height of 16 millimeter. That's all. So this is the front view which we have completed now. Now we will switch to top view. For top view purpose, looking this diagram from the top, you will be able to see this surface and this surface, along with that this surface. This is a common surface which we are able to see in the front view as well as in the top view. Let us see or imagine this one. You will be seeing this profile right from the top, that we will be getting here. Let us see. First, to project this front view, all the points in the downward direction, vertically down. So these are end-to-end projectors. That is overall width. This width we have got 56. First we will cover outlines. In this direction it is how much? 32. Here we will take 32. From here to here, just I'll put 1 point 32. Why? Because at the end of 32 we don't have material here. Material is ending till this way, that is 16. Here 32 minus 16 is 16. So here to here 16 we have to reach like this. Then here 32, just I am putting a point so that at this point the end of the diagram will be there. So here also 16 millimeter up till this point 16. Okay, here 32 is it. For reference we have kept the another point. Then what you need to do, you need to draw this line for the length of 12 millimeter and this line for the length of remaining 12 millimeters. So like this we have done 12 millimeter at both the sides. Now you see this distance from here to here is 32, and this you take midpoint here, and this side 10, this side 10. If you go, you will be getting this 20 block. So these are the endpoints from here to here 32. So in the 32, sorry, in the 52 length, 56 millimeter length, we will have midpoint. From the midpoint 5 10 mm each side. So 56 is here, 28 is this midpoint, and from this midpoint we will have total 56 midpoint here, and from this midpoint we will be having 10 millimeter each side. Just I'm moving the scale so that it is easy to take direct 10. Keep it on one number. So here 10, here 10. Okay. Now what you do, you join this. So total 20 length we have got. Then simply join this point with this. Then join this point with this. And now we will switch to this. Again take midpoint 4 this side, 4 this side, or else we have the facility to project this. Okay. And in this direction the length is 14 millimeter. This is this one in the front view, and this is also visible from the top, so that I am projecting here and take it in this direction for the length of 14 millimeter, this distance 14. Then after the 14 further slope continues, total length is 24. 10, 20, 24. From here again 24, and mix this two. That's all. And at the distance of 14 you will be finding one edge over here that comes this side, 10, and this is 4, 14. This is all in the top view, front view, top view. Later whatever lines are visible, that I will make it dark like this with the help of sketch pen. Just till now we are drawing thin line diagram only. Now we will go to right side view. See, whenever you have front view here, left side view will come at right side, and right side view which is given in the question will come at left side of the front view. So this is right side view will fall this side. Project all the points or edges from this front view to this side. With the help of mini drafter also will be very easy, and time saving method. This is the scale which uses more time. So in the top view, in the right side view, if you see, what are the things you are able to see? This two surfaces and this surface. So profile, if you see, the profile will be like this, and then it goes in that way. So total height from here to here is 16 plus this 8, total 24. Or this projector we have taken from here, we will be getting 24 as the length, which you can see here. So this is the height which you have got, 24, and then in this direction how much it is? 14 from the top. So from the top 14 we will go in that direction like this, which is here. So this is 10 plus 4, 14 millimeter. After that, in this direction how much it is? 32. So in this direction from the base you proceed to 32, 10, 20, 30 plus 2. After reaching here, just take the height. Now this slope is there, right? From here to somewhere it will rest. At what distance from this corner or from this line? It is 24. So from here it will go up to 24. 10, 20, 24 is this point. Are you able to see? Right. And from here you just join this. Then take this in this direction. So this is the side view. In the side view, one more thing is there. You need to show this edge, which is at some distance. How much? 16. This is at 16. So see, you cannot show this edge as well as this edge. Why? Because from this direction, this edge and this edge will get overlapped. So this surface, one line, and this surface. So that it is 16, and here is also 16. And this line is there. Edge will form, or this edge you are seeing, right? This edge and this edge will be common, and it will go like this. And at a distance of 16, 16. You will be having the partition kind of thing here. So this is all in the front view, top view, and side view. You have to do dimensions. I will do the dimensions right now, and I will make it dark lines. Just wait for a while. So this is the final front view, top view, and side view. This is all in this video. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thanks for watching everyone, and you can watch out the next videos from the playlist. Thank you everyone.